Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 13th on a Tuesday, and boy, this market really feels like it's getting ahead of itself. Seeing another gap up in the markets with the overnight rate cut in China. Think you got to be careful. This is not a time I want to be chasing stocks. SPY and Q both gapping up. You may focus on the IWM, which still can play some catch up. Uh, Couple of things I'm liking today. I've been in this arc for a few days, ARK, and it looks like it's going to break out of this, a monthly high here and kind of a pivot level. So keep an eye on ARKK. And also, I think you got to watch some China stocks. The KWEB here is kind of trying to break above all of its moving average. It's 200 day, and you can see this is also a pivot level. So I'm kind of liking KWEB, even though it is about a 2.5% gap up. This thing can really get going. Taste, it's been on the list for a while. TAST, if you will. Still watching that 6 level. Boy, when they start, going consolidating for too long, I get a little bit nervous for a head fake. But I still on the radar at that $6 level in TAST. Let's see. Baba, I think you can keep. I mean, it's been held down, but this is a critical level here around 89. Once again, that was very much similar to KWeb. It'll be back above all its moving averages. So watch that Baba. One other here. Let's see, Momo, another China plays, been holding up okay here, above all its moving averages, and I think above yesterday's high. Let me go ahead and set that alert there, and that Momo could be worth a swing trade there. All right, guys, be careful on this gap up and have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.